You're interested in an indoor and outdoor 400 lumens up to 30 hours of runtime, 4 hours on the highest settings. This product may be something that you are interested in. What we're going to show you is the details about the product and what it's all about. From the makers of Espird, it's a solar-powered indoor-outdoor light. It has 3 modes, battery-operated, IP44 rated, and more. We're going to open this up, show you how nicely it's packed, and you'll decide if this product may be right for you. Let's show you what the product looks like inside the box. As we open up the package, this is a 50 lumen, 200 lumen, and 400 lumens with a runtime of up to 30 hours of runtime. Everything is laid out nice inside the box. You have the instruction guide, poles, and USB cord, well protected. The solar panel charges the 600 milliamp battery that is supplied. That takes up to 6+ hours of charge time in direct sun. As you're taking note, there is some assembly that is required, and it's not that hard to do. This is the light top, well protected in plastic. Touching the on button shows you that the light goes on into different increments of lighting. And on the front of the unit over here is your on and off button. This is the top post, the solar array panel. There are 3 ways to put the unit on a stand. We have a desk mount, a floor mount, and you can stand at 15+ inches, 39.4 inches, give or take, and 54.5 inches. Simply screw on your poles like so. When placing your poles on, one pole has a thread and the other pole is a step through. So you simply grab the poles, align, and screw on like so. For mounting the desk pole, just simply grab the one that you're looking for, match up the holes, screw on. The 3 versions is 15 inches plus, 39 inches, or 54.5 inches. A nice close-up look of where you're going to charge your unit via USB port or solar power. You could plug in, close up to keep it IP rated. Turn on, it's a simple soft press to the 3 different modes. And off. In sunlight, allow the unit to charge for a minimum of 6 hours to at least a day. We have the light set up, collecting the sun to charge via the solar panel. The 6000 Kelvin light is going to throw 3 different LED lights in 50 lumens, 200 lumens, and 400 lumens on a 600 milliamp battery that will last from 4 hours all the way up to 30 hours of runtime, depending on the mode you are after. In the evening hours, we'll demonstrate what the light looks like. In the evening hours, the 54.5-inch light, outdoor and indoor. It is a 50 lumens, 200 lumens, and 400 lumens, 6500 Kelvin. It could be adjusted in a number of heights for the table stand. This is 50 lumens, 6500 Kelvin, the 600 milliamp battery. It is the desk light lit up. We're going to go to the next mode, which is 200 lumens at 6500 Kelvin. And the last mode is going to be 400 lumens at 6500 Kelvin. Those are the 3 lights. What we're going to do is switch over to the desktop stand, and this way you get an idea of what it looks like. Lift up, place onto the stand. So you have the 3 light increments. This is low, medium, and high. So if you're looking for a portable light that you can hang up anywhere imaginable, put it on the pole like so in a matter of a couple of seconds. It runs off of solar power as well as USB power. This is your light. I thank you very much for viewing. If you were interested in the product, check out further online about the details.